Today, we're going to talk about how to utilize the LetMeTalk app as a method for overall augmentative communication, ways to help kiddos who are nonverbal to learn academically. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are in the first set of things that are downloaded when you download the LetMeTalk app. And I'm going to show you guys a bunch of things on why I'm absolutely obsessed with this for a physical therapist and also to help educate parents. First, it's totally free. So it's easy for you to download on your iPhone, your iPad, Android, all of the things and all of the places. Second, you can customize things that are relevant to your specific kiddo. So for example, it comes pre-populated with a lot of different options. Let's go to colors, for example. So it's got a couple of colors. Well, what if your kiddo loves pink? You can hit the plus button and you have a couple of options, which I'll talk about later, but search image and type in pink. Hot pink comes up. Okay, now we've got pink. So say you're working with a kiddo and you want them to work on their colors and you have a puzzle that has all of these colors. And as the kiddo puts the puzzle piece in, you ask them, okay, tell me what color that is. If you put the phone or the iPad with the sound on or the ringer on, so you just saw there that I turned my phone on essentially, and they click pink, it will say pink, which is awesome because that then reinforces auditorily, visually, and through your interaction potentially tactilely on the puzzle piece that is pink. So again,
pink.
And say you wanted the kiddo to, say he hit it twice, right? And you were like, oh no, we only need one. All you do is hold it and then it deletes. Say the kiddo picked 3 colors.
Black, yellow.
And you wanted to say all of those in a row like a sentence.
Pink, black, yellow.
All you do is hit the play button and then it speaks it out.
Pink, black, yellow.
Which I, again, super love. So let's delete that by pressing on it. Okay, cool. So let's say that the kiddo wanted to use his favorite toys. Okay, so it gives you a couple of options. Again, you could go search image. Maybe they love to play in a tunnel. That's not a great picture of it. Maybe they love a scooter. Again, that's not a great picture of, maybe that's what they want. Maybe they want more of a scooter that like they use at therapy. Well, what you can do is you can take a photo. Okay, so I have a scooter right here and I can take a photo of that scooter, use that scooter, it uploads the photo and I'm gonna write scooter. Okay. The even cooler part about this is
scooter.
It says scooter, which is so awesome. So what I love about this is this helps a kiddo to reiterate what is really in their environment. Pictures are awesome, but they are obviously not exactly the same as what a kiddo sees in their regular life. So let's say you wanted to have a new category, right? Okay, and in this new category, rename category. In this new category, you want it to be family because family is so important. Okay, so you go and you take a photo. Hey guys! So maybe you want it to say Miss Lauren, because I'm the kiddo's physical therapist.
Miss Lauren.
Then they can say, I want to see
Miss Lauren.
Obviously, Maybe they have a little brother or sister. And because I have no kiddos in the house, we're just going to use baby Eric. So this is baby Eric. Maybe this is their little brother. We'll just say Eric. And so say, oh, who you're going to go see?
Miss Lauren.
Who's going to go with you?
Eric.
Eric. Maybe baby Eric comes to all the therapy appointments. If I was his therapist, I probably wouldn't be under family. I just realized that, but you could again have a new category and name it. Well, you can name it like places. Maybe they go to therapy. Maybe you name it like people, or maybe you name it therapists. And then let's see if I can move it. Rename. Nope. Okay. But you can like change the position. I'm not exactly, again, I have not done. All right, there you go. You just hold it and click it and move. So you can change position. I'm not sure if you can move it into a different category, but if you had the picture saved on your phone, you could add image from the gallery. Okay, this was just me taking my workout photos from this morning, since I'm a fitness coach too. And then you would just like say Miss Lauren or whatever, right? Okay. The other thing that I love about it is you can add a new category. You can add animals. So say you want to work on animals. Okay, and then you're gonna search image. So animals, random picture of animals, but maybe you want to look for a specific animal, like a horse. Okay, got a horse. Let's add, maybe they love tigers. Okay, we got a tiger. How about we add an elephant? Cool. So you can just add all kinds of things. Let's see, so we got milk, soft drink, water. I don't know why kiddos drinking coffee. You can obviously use this for older kids as well. Here's just all the kind of drinks to drink. That's a thing that they don't have here. Let's see, I want. So you can pick then which one I want. So I want cup. I want cup. Please. So these might be different pictures than what you would typically utilize for a kiddo, but again, you could take pictures of yourself, maybe doing the sign of please or whatever you want. But the biggest thing that I love about this is it has the flexibility. You could even draw a picture and take a picture of the picture, or take a picture of the kiddo signing. That would be even better. That would elevate it even more. But basically you say, okay, say if the kiddo wants like a signing drink, or looks thirsty, or it's time for snack, and so you want them to utilize their sentence structure, but they're an emerging talker. So you can have them say while they press, like, I want. So they say, I want cup, please. And then you work on it all together. Maybe they listen first.
I want cup, please.
And then they say, I want cup, please. And so they work on it, and you're working on it together with them. But overall, these things can start to become reiterated. And you can use that sentence structure too for toys. I want ball, please. You can use it as a therapist. You could have first and then whatever object. So first puzzle, then ball. Usually it's first, then using first noun, then noun. So first object, then object. So first puzzle, which is an object, then ball or whatnot. So this is one of my absolutely all-time favorite tools as a pediatric physical therapist. I think it's amazing. I think it's so much more versatile, honestly, than a lot of the augmentative communication devices, because it's so adaptable, and like every family member could have the same folders. They could have it all on their cell phone or an iPad. And it's just so much versatile than having one device that you need someone else to program. I really believe in educating parents, and as much as the parents can have control over situations, the better. I'm not a speech therapist, and so I am sure that there are limitations with this app that there maybe are not with some of the other devices like a Dynavox or different things that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. But what I love about this is you can get something similar for free, and it can be across multiple devices, and you can have family members have similar opportunities to speak and reinforce vocabulary and academic learning with their kiddo. And that to me is such a game changer. So I hope you guys love Let Me Talk. I hope you find it helpful. Feel free to post any comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, especially because it means that these videos can then be found easier by other parents who desperately need them.